welcome back to my channel. It's outdoor time today. Personally, I am not a bird person, but this clip is for you guys to see and learn things about yellow-sided Conure birds. Hope you guys have fun. Conure birds are from the parrot family. They originate in South America. Usually these birds are expected to live for 20 to 30 years. We feed fruits and vegetables to Brownie since she's still a baby. Brownie enjoys her tub bath. She is very loud. Conures are very mischievous. They can even chew up your homework. They love outdoor, and Brownie spends lots of time outside her cage. My Brownie is just 1 month old. My Brownie is all set to rest. I'll meet y'all soon. Till then, take care and have lots of fun.